Hello students, Kale ma'am here. We have started chapter 3rd, issue of shares. Last lecture we discussed about methods of issue of shares such as ESOS, ESPS, IPO, FPO, etc. Today we are going to learn about allotment of shares, that is the subunit 3.4. So allotment means it is the official intimation given to the applicants about the number of shares allotted or given to him. In short, when a company gives shares to an applicant based on the application submitted, that is known as allotment of shares. So Supreme Court has defined the allotment as the appropriation or distribution to an applicant by a resolution of the Board of Directors of a certain number of shares in response to an application, that is known as allotment of shares. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण थर्ड टॉपिक सुरू केलेला आहे. यामध्ये आपण मेथड्स ऑफ इश्यू ऑफ शेअर्स पाहिलेले आहेत. आज आपण अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेअर्सबद्दल चर्चा करणार आहोत. तर जेव्हा कंपनीकडे आलेल्या अर्जावरून अर्जदाराला म्हणजेच ॲप्लिकंट्सला शेअर्स अलॉट केले जातात त्यालाच अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेअर्स म्हणतात. In short, allotment means accepting the offer made by the investor to purchase the shares. Here is given the definition given by Supreme Court. So students, Board of Directors has power to allot the shares, and the Board of Directors approves the acceptance of such applicants in the board meeting by passing resolution, that is allotment of शेअर. संचालक मंडळांना शेअर्स अलॉट करण्याचा अधिकार असतो आणि संचालक मंडळाच्या सभेमध्ये ठराव मंजूर करून अलॉटमेंटसाठी अप्रूव्हल दिलं जातं. सो ॲज पर कंपनीज ॲक्ट 2013, सम कंपनीज have to issue securities in dematerialized form. So students, what is meaning of dematerialized form? Dematerialized form means the shares which are in physical form that are converted into electronic form, that is known as dematerialization. So the company which has making a public offer in excess of rupees 10 crores, such company has to issue securities or shares in dematerialized form. Second, unlisted public company for its new issues with effect from 10 September 2018. 10 सप्टेंबर 2018 पासून नवीन भाग विक्री करणाऱ्या परंतु अनलिस्टेड असलेल्या पब्लिक कंपनीला डिमटेरियलाइज्ड स्वरूपामध्ये भाग विकावे लागतात, शेअर्स विकावे लागतात. अँड थर्ड वन, एनी अदर कंपनी कॅन इश्यू इट्स शेअर्स इन एनी फॉर्म, and companies issuing shares in dematerialized form has to comply the provisions of Depository Act 1996. Depository Act 1996 प्रमाणे कंपनीला डिमटेरियलाइज्ड फॉर्ममध्ये शेअर्स इश्यू करण्यासाठी त्या ॲक्टमधील प्रोव्हिजन्स फॉलो कराव्या लागतात.